Okay, all of my materials are set up with the test tubes in each box. No wash, quick wash, good wash. I'm gonna put on my goggles and my lab coat. Okay. So first, I'm gonna start with the no wash. So I'm going to apply a little bit of the glow germ. Put it on my hands in the back, in between. Okay. I'm going to take my transfer pipette and transfer 3 milliliters into my no wash. Okay, I'm going to do that for the second test tube. Okay, I'm going to put this down, turn on the light. So, on my nails. Some of it's on the box. Definitely on the test tube. Okay, I just finished with the no wash, and then I went and just quickly washed my hands. Now I'm going to perform the transfer the water into the quick wash test tubes. First one. Okay. And now I'm going to use my ultraviolet light to check and see what's contaminated now. So this is the There's still glow germ under my fingernails, around my ring, on my wrists, and it's still on my lab coat, a little bit on the beaker, nothing really on the pipette. There's still some on this test tube, and there's definitely glow germ on this test tube too. So I'm gonna record that in my data table. Okay, I just reapplied the glow germ in the bathroom washed my hands as described in activity 3. Now I'm gonna transfer the water from the beaker into the Good Wash test tubes. Okay, I'm now going to use the UV light to check and see how many contaminated spots there are. Nothing really stayed under my nails. There's a little bit on my wrist, on the left wrist. Don't totally see anything. So after the Good Wash, using the UV light to examine the contaminated areas, very, very minimal around the experiment area. However, I took the light into the bathroom and there's still a lot of glow gum around the sink and on the fingernail brush. So that's definitely something I feel like is worth noting, that even though the area that you're using is pretty disinfected, where you were washing your hands still may not be. Okay, for activity 3, I'm going to demonstrate how I will wash my hands after applying the glow gum. So glow gum's been applied. I'm going to turn on the faucet, rinse, use a paper towel to get some soap. Okay, and now I'm going to use the ultraviolet light to examine how many areas of contamination I still have. Nothing really under the nails. A little bit on the faucet, definitely around the sink, in the sink. a little bit on the soap dispenser, but most of the contaminated areas are just in the sink basin area.